Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 320 MKS. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification because we have more 2024s rolling out into the lot. Now, let's get started. Starting out on our entertainment side, we do have the typical features out here like our nice, beautiful awning with an LED strip underneath that. We do have our entryway over here as well, and we do have a couple 2024 upgrades and changes. So starting out, they have given you a leash hitch over here. This is so you can have your dog out here to party with you guys if you're doing that. We also do have another change, is they have done away with the indoor-outdoor speaker system. You still have speakers inside, but they don't have them on the outside anymore. So if you want to listen to some music, you're definitely going to have to bring a Bluetooth speaker out here, but that's not a problem. Moving on, we do have a couple more 2024 upgrades. The stairs are a little bit newer. They are more of a lift assist, so they're easier to get up in your camper. We also do have a safety rail out here. This is just a safety feature. It's more extended, so anybody with mobility issues are going to be able to get inside no problem. Also, another thing, there is a rounded skirt bottom on this Reflection. This is an upgraded safety feature, so if dogs or kids or anything are running under the camper, they're not going to hit those sharp edges and they're going to be fine. But let's look at one more thing out here on this entertainment side, which is our outdoor kitchen. On your entertainment side, you also do have a slide, and one thing I forgot to mention about this does have its very own awning and LED strip over here. So if you want to have an extended party over in this space, you can easily do that. And this is also where our outdoor kitchen is located. This easily opens up, and as you can see, you do have a fridge over here and you also have a griddle. Now, let's check out all your storage space. Located in the front of your Reflection is your pass-through storage space, and as y'all can see, this thing is absolutely huge. You have so much room down here, and they've even given you a nice, easy to clean floor, so if things get a little dirty at the campground, you can easily clean this out. We also do have a couple lights down here and electrical outlets, and over on your driver's side, you do have your convenience bay with all the hookups you're going to need while you're at the campground. Now, check out the inside. When you first walk into your Reflection, we do have a couple of 2024 upgrades in here as well. Starting out over by our door is this upgraded molding. This is just an aesthetic look, makes it look a little bit more put together in here. Really nice upgrade. And they've also given you this Lippert thin shade. This just allows you to have more shade over here in this door area. And coming over here, we do have another upgrade. Right over top here, we do have a Wi-Fi router built in. This is a new thing that Grand Design has put in here. It's kind of a pay-as-you-go Wi-Fi thing. Ask your salesman about it and they can tell you a little bit more about that. And underneath there is our typical control panel. This is where you control your lights, awnings, slides, and everything else. Now, let's check out the living area. Over by our entryway, we do have a tri-fold sofa, so you can use this as seating for your guests, or if somebody wants to take a nap, this easily folds out and it is a sleeping space. We also have this nice mirror behind us, and overhead there's plenty of storage. There's storage on both sides, and this one over here actually opens up into your control panel area and that Wi-Fi router up there. We have some see-through panes right here, so you can kind of see in there what you have. And this can be used as kind of like a catch-all area if you want to throw your keys there, your bags. And there's actually an electrical outlet up there. So if you do want to use that as kind of a phone charging station, you can do that as well. Now, check out the theater seats. Over here in one of our sides of this Reflection, we have some theater seats. So these are the typical theater seats that do recline, and you have some cup holders with a couple features. There's a light option, a heat option, and even a back massage option. And there is a USB port right here as well, so if you do want to charge your phone from here. We also have a little bit of storage in here, perfect for your books or your tablets. And there's more storage overhead. This is perfect to put some board games in, or maybe some magazines, movies, whatever you want up there. And one upgrade over here, we do have new molding across this slide. Just kind of a little added thing in here, makes it look very aesthetic and very pleasing. I love that. This is the perfect area to watch your movies, so let's check out that entertainment center. Over here in your other side is your entertainment center. Up here we do have some storage. Down below we have a very nice fireplace. This works as a light, or it works as a heater for those cold winter months. In here, this opens up and you do have your JBL system right here. This controls your indoor speakers. Like I said, there's no speakers on the outside anymore, but this controls all your ones inside. Over here we have a little bit of storage with a electrical outlet, and there's a button right here because I know you're probably wondering, where is that TV at? It raises up on a televator just by the press of a button. Now, let's check out the kitchen. In this reflection, we have a gorgeous kitchen with tons of countertop space and lots of storage. And this reflection also has tons of 2024 upgrades, so let's check that out. One update is this pantry over here. This is a very deep pantry in here. You're gonna be able to fit all of your groceries in here, no problem. Another update is we do have flush flooring in this slide, so it just makes it look more put together and you can't tell where that slide stops and ends, so that's very nice. Another upgrade is our residential stovetop over here. This just looks very nice. Looks like something that would be in a very nice home. And this oven is massive. They've upgraded that so it's a little bit bigger. And we also have a gorgeous fridge in here. This is a full-size fridge and freezer, but most of our 2024 updates are actually in our island, so let's check that out. In this island, we have plenty of updates, and one is magnetic closures on all the cabinet doors. This just makes it easier for these to close and stay closed. We also have designated storage spaces over here. They've given you a specific spot for 2 of your trash cans, and maybe even my favorite part over here is our designated space for all of our silverware, and they've given you a secret drawer for your spices, but that's not all. We have one more surprise on the other side. They've given you a hidden drawer on the other side of your island, so while you're eating dinner at the campground, your furry friend can eat with you. Now, let's check out your office space. If you work from home or you have kids that need a desk area to do all their homework at, this reflection has the perfect area. In the back, they've given you this nice office space. You have a nice sturdy desktop, plenty of storage down at the bottom and overhead. They've even given you tons of electrical outlets. There's one up here and another one over to the side, and there's even a USB and USB-C port, so you can plug in your computers, your tablets, phones, anything you're gonna need while you're in the office. Now, let's check out your dinette. Your dinette is located in the same slide as your theater seats, and as you can see, there's plenty of room over here. The whole family can eat a meal with lots of elbow room. And a fun little feature, this ottoman actually moves out, so if you want to use it other places in your camper, you can easily move that and use it as extra seating space. Now, let's check out the bathroom. Before we move on into the bathroom, there's a couple other upgrades that I forgot to mention. One is on your entryway door. You have a Lippert screen defender down here. This is perfect for those dogs and cats that like to scratch. It's going to keep your door protected, and this isn't moving, so they're not going to go anywhere. Another thing, they've given you an extended rail right here, so when you're going up into your bedroom area, you have more to grip onto, and it's perfect for those with mobility issues. Now, let's move on. We have a full bathroom with lots of storage. Over on this side, you have your medicine cabinet with storage behind it. Underneath that is our sink and a little bit of countertop space. They've even given you an electrical outlet for all your hairstyling tools. Down below, we have more storage. You can easily fit towels in there or your toilet paper. And on the other side is our step to flush toilet. With above that, they've given you this rack for your towels and more storage space over here. You can put all your toiletries in here, towels, pajamas, whatever you want. And behind me is the best part. We have a huge shower. As you can see, I'm almost putting my arms all the way out. There's tons of room. They've even given you built-in shelves for all your shampoo, conditioners, and soaps, and you have a detachable shower head. And one upgrade in here, they have done away with the skylight. Those were having a little bit of leaking problems, but that is fixed now. They've given you this nice light up here, so it's still gonna be nice and bright in here. Now, let's check out the bedroom. In the front of your reflection, you have a private bedroom, and in here we have this gorgeous queen-size bed. They've even given you a couple bedroom essentials like a blanket, pillows, and a nice little headboard. On the left side, we do have a USB and USB-C port, and on both sides, you do have an electrical outlet. You also have tons of storage, so let's check those out. Across from the bed is one of your 2 storage spaces. This is a nice little dresser area. You have tons of storage up top and down below. You have lots of drawers. This is perfect to put all of your socks, underwear, and smaller clothing items. They've even given you a little location to place your TV, and you have one huge closet, so let's move on and check that out. Right beside of your bed is this massive closet. You're gonna have so much room for all of your clothes in here. You even have a light in here and this nice little blue light, and this closet is prepped for a washer and dryer unit, so if you want to add that in, you can. If you like this unit or any other unit in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.